I'm just about to record for you beginner's solo quick step routine number 5. This is a little practice routine. It was taught in a lesson on the 19th of April 2022. That was this morning. We've just done the lesson, so this is a very short summary. And today we were working on adapting our ballroom steps to living room steps and being able to do them from left to right on equal feet. And then it would mean that as a leader or a follower, either way, you're working both sides. So this was explained in the lesson. So if you're looking for the full class, in my video library, you're looking for the 19th of April 22, and it shows you how to take these particular ballroom steps, which is the progressive chassis, the natural turn, a little forwards lock step, backwards lock step, some hesitations, and how to put them so that we can do them left and right and make them living room friendly. So here was a short practice routine that we did. We started with our V-shaped basic, which is essentially our progressive chassis going from left to right. Slow, quick, quick, slow and slow. 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 We did it 4 times. We then added in a little hesitation section. So let's look at that again. I'll come back a little bit. Now this went with the progressive chassis, slow, quick, quick. I look to my right hand wall, slow, slow, drag. I'm going to repeat that in reverse, backwards. Slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. And slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. So that's the little hesitation, doing it left and right, and not worrying about whether we're a leader or a follower, so we can practice in the living room. Section 3 was lock steps, backwards and forwards. Now these are exactly as we would do them in the ballroom, either forwards or back. Remember, in the ballroom, both leader and follower do forwards and back lock steps. So here we go. Back lock step starting here with the left. Slow, quick, quick, slow and slow. And the forwards lock step starting with the right. Slow, quick, quick, slow and slow. Okay, let's do that once more. Again. Slow, quick, quick, slow and slow. Slow, quick, quick, slow and slow. So we did that backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards. Now the last section, a little bit more tricky. We looked at the principle of a pivot. And the principle of a pivot being able to turn on one leg, or turn on one leg, or turn on one leg, or turn on one leg, okay? So I was explaining how this works in the ballroom. Generally, the man's pivots are backwards and the lady's pivots are forwards. So the entry step into the pivot, generally the man is going backwards, lady's going forwards. Now, in the little routine that we did, we tried to incorporate that. And I actually slowed it down, okay? So the pivot in the quick step would normally be 1 slow count. I made it 2 slow counts, so it was almost like a slow swivel, okay? So anyone that's done a little bit of our other ballroom dances, I might have seen a little bit of a swivel step happening. It would be more similar to that, but again, this was for beginner's practice in the living room. So, let I go backwards, slow, quick, quick. There's my little chassis entry step. I went forwards, swivel, forwards, swivel, okay? So it's like a little half turn. Pivot, pivot, and I slowed them down, okay? I then did forwards, side close, back, pivot, back, pivot. So whilst I'm doing the pivots, I'm more or less facing the right hand wall. Now it doesn't really matter where you're facing, okay, as long as you have got room to practice. Let's go from here. Back, side close, forwards, pivot, forwards, pivot. Forwards, side close, back, pivot, back, pivot. And I did explain it's harder because we're doing 2 pivots, 1 in each direction, 1 after the other. Normally in the ballroom we would do something like this. Slow, quick, quick, slow, pivot, and then I would drive on in the same rotation and direction that I was already going. I wouldn't normally then check and come back at that point. That would be a little bit stranger to do that in the ballroom, in the quick step. So remember, I've made it harder so that we can get really good at these things. Let's put the whole thing together. Here we go. V-shaped basic, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow, slow, quick, slow, and slow, slow, quick, slow, and slow, slow, quick, slow, hesitation section, quick, slow, 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 quick, slow, 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 quick, slow, 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 quick, slow, 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 lockstep section, slow, quick, slow, and slow, slow, quick, slow, and slow, slow, quick, slow, and slow, and slow, quick, slow, and slow. Last section of the pivots, slow, quick, slow, 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 quick, slow, 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 slow. There we go, guys. Very short summary. If it was a little bit too quick for you, do apologise, but it was a 45-minute class where we worked on that much more slowly. You're looking for that in my main video library for the 19th of April 2022 if you want the full 45-minute class. If not, if you're watching this maybe on YouTube, then you can always slow the routine down with the little cog symbol. Guys, this was solo, beginners solo quick step practice routine number 5. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me either in my paid video library on my website or my YouTube channel. Keep clicking, subscribing, playing, watching, do all of the above. Anything you need will be in the link below if you're watching on the YouTube. And if you're in my video website, you know you've got all the members area and the chat functions and the messages and everything you can send me. Guys, I will see you soon. Keep practicing. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.